Dreamina AI review. Is this AI legit or a scam? So let's find out. What is Dreamina AI? It is a web-based AI content creation platform accessible via browser and CapCut integration. It offers tools for generating images, avatars, and short-form videos using both text only and image-based prompts. Its video model options include the Video 3.0 and the Video S2.0 Pro, designed to produce cinematic motion and narrative coherence. So here's its strengths and legit features. It offers a user-friendly interface. So they have a beginner-focused, clean dashboard and intuitive workflow for both text and image to video content. They also have a dual model system for videos. So the Video 3.0 handles multi-shot narrative. They have a free and tiered plans as well. So they offer a free tier for basic access, and paid plans unlock higher resolution, watermark removal, and commercial licensing. It is also integrated with CapCut, so you can have seamless in transitions with Dreamina and CapCut, which offers easy editing and content refinement workflows. However, it comes with limitations and some common complaints. The video quality is inconsistent. So many users report many generations produce static zooms or fail to animate at all. They also have a prompt understanding, which is shallow, so videos often misinterpret instructions or deliver results only loosely aligned with the described scenes. They have a slow or failed lip sync and avatar productions as well, and the results can also be hit or miss. So, in conclusion, Gemini AI is a legitimate video generator. It integrates cleanly with CapCut and supports multiple models and offers creative potential, and especially for basic video drafts or image-based illustrations. However, its video output is uneven and can be often underwhelming.